My job as a project manager is to daily help our customer with anything that they need, whether it's last minute or anything that has to do with engineering, material delivered, trainings with our systems. Part of my job involves being at the job site and giving trainings on all of our systems. If the customer is new and they don't understand how to use it, we're always there to provide them with that knowledge. I'm always there to help them out, and so they can better understand our system, how we work, and provide them with a better field service. Our job is mainly to keep a close relationship with the customer, build a stronger bond, and help them all along the way through the process, helping the customer on site with safety hazards, making sure that everything is being properly used, as well as anything that may come up last minute.